Are you a Microsoft Outlook user and you are unable to handle issues PST file corruption? Then you need a effectful solution such case in Outlook.
Aryson Outlook PST repair software successfully recovers data and emails from corrupt Outlook PST files.
It is an ideal recovery solution for all kinds of PST file created by several Outlook versions, including 2016.
Let's begin in detail.
Go to the Open option from the main menu. Select the PST file from the particular location on your system. Choose any scanning mode to handle corruption. Here we are selecting the Advanced mode. Before you OK the selection, choose the PST version. Now click on OK button after the scanning is complete. Click over the Inbox folder to view your particular email. Now finally save the recovered PST file into a new one by clicking on the Save button from the menu bar. Go to the Browse button to save the file at your preferred location. The software provides you multiple saving options like EML, DBX, PST, MSG, M, Box, Archive. Choose the format that prefer to save in. Here you also given an option to save the PST file according to the date range by selecting the start and end dates. After that, press the OK button. Now you can view your recovered PST file into the Outlook. Launch Outlook and open the file from the location you saved the PST file. Select the recovered file and view the PST in Outlook. Feel free to connect with us. Log on to www.arysantechnologies.com. Thanks for watching video.